The sky was heavy, painted gray, but I knew the sun would find its way. I carried echoes I couldn't erase, until hope met me face to face. I found a spark inside the night. It slowly led me to the light. After the rain, I finally see the best version of me. Every tear became a brand new start. Healing grew inside my heart. I'm not looking back again. I've learned how to win. The storm no longer calls my name. I'm stronger after the rain. I'm stronger after the rain. Oh, I built tomorrow one step at a time, turning every mountain into a climb. The broken pieces found their place. Now confidence fills every space. The fear I carried lost its hold. My story is brighter than gold. After the rain, I finally breathe. I found what I need. Every sunrise feels brand new. Every dream is coming true. No more hiding from the pain. There's so much left to gain. The clouds became my greatest friend. They showed the storm would always end. I found my strength where hope began. I'm more than who I was. The road ahead is wide and clear. I'll meet it without fear. After the rain, I found my after the rain, I lift my eyes. I was born to rise. Every chapter shaped my soul. Now I'm finally whole. If tomorrow brings another storm, I'll keep my spirit warm, because I know beyond the grave there's always another day.